Welcome back to my channel, everybody. In this video is about newborn of parrot checking egg and playing with my egg lectors parrot. It would be fun, you know. Hey, look. We got 4 eggs of parrot that they produced today. No. That is not today, just a week that they can produce 4 eggs, and I hope this newborn will come up soon. Wow, a beautiful newborn, 15 days here, just like you look here. It's very cute. Hey, buddy. Yeah, I love you. Here I'm trying to call my parrot Terry. I got a cheat fly. Yeah, of course, we got another 3-day newborn parrot. The female lectors that I name her Terry, and when I call Terry, that immediately she fly to my hand. And sometimes I got cheated by flying wrong direction or something that he or she like to play with me all along. I got a cheat fly again. Terry. After flying to my hand, Terry trying to step up to my soldiers, but this time she fly away. She don't like to keep in my shoulder. There is one thing that she really like to do is stay in her cage, you know. And then when I click like that, and then the Terry is coming up from the holes and just playing seek and hide, you know, just like seek and hide together with me, and she like to play a lot. I love that Terry. I'll move back a little bit far to call my Terry to fly into my hand. Tori. Yeah, I always notice a Tori reaction when I focus a camera on her face. You know, or she just act like a stranger things on her body, just like a screwing her room. She like laying on my hands and my shoulders, and what is the most thing that she like to do is biting my ears, you know. It sometimes will hurt, and I always move around my head to escape from biting. Look at her face, just like a silly face. This parrot is kind of cute. And now I just bring her to... Oh no, don't bite me. She like sunflower seed, but she fly away now. She go back to her cage, and I'm going to play again with her. Yeah, I'm going to say knock knock, who's there, and she will come out from the cage, and just we can see only her head. Aha! Yeah, I see you here. Where you come from? Yeah, I know you are here for a long time waiting for me. Yep. Don't just say anything, just quiet, because I know you cannot talk. Oh, look at that. So many African lovebird lays on a stick over there that you can see. Check out. It's around 100 or more. I'm not sure. She trying to bite my ear again, just like I told you before. She like laying on my shoulder and then biting my ears. This is what she like doing the most.
I'm coming, buddy.
Thank you for watching my videos, and if you have any comment, please let me know down below for the comment, and thank you for your hit subscribe and hit the bell. Bye bye, see you for next videos.